I'm Stuart Mitchell. I farm here at Whitriggs in the Scottish borders with my parents and my wife. It's a 1,000-acre farm, 442 hectares, ranging from 500 feet up to 1,400 feet. We farm cattle, deer and arable all organically. So we've got 140 suckler cows, Shorthorn cross Anguses. They suit us really well. They're great mothers and can produce well off just forage. We also have 350 red deer, which was an enterprise started in 2018. We also have 50 hectares of organic cereals. The organic cereals are winter oats and spring barley. Sell the winter oats to Hogarth's, a local mill, for milling, and currently the spring barley is sold direct to other farms for feeding. We are now organic. We have just finished our conversion in August this year. We decided to go organic because we thought we were pretty much there already. We were never that reliant on fertilisers or warmers and things, and when we dispersed our sheep flock, we felt that just having cattle, deer and arable was quite a seamless transition to be organic, and we were already big users of clover in our rotations. Big highs of organic, especially this year, has been not having a fertiliser bill. We've learned a lot about using different ways of warmers, we don't really use them anymore. And learning not to rely on them. Before we went organic, we were probably pretty traditional grazing, a lot of set stocked, 4 or 5 bulling groups across, needed split up across the farm, and then the sheep all set stocked in between. Now we are in a mob grazing system, tall grazing, big covers. The cows are moved every day, all year. Into big covers, and there's one mob of cows and one mob of heifers, and heifers with calves at foot, and they stay in those 2 groups all year. And we've got a group of 6 bulls that we just divide in half and put them into each mob. Behind us here I've got a mob of 90 cows with 90 calves. They've been mobbed up since they started calving back in middle of April. We accept we're not going to get the mauling calf, but if we can get around about 90% at scaling time, it means we're only keeping the very best productive cows and keeping it as efficient as possible. Main bit of advice I would give: don't try and fight the rules, farm along with what the organic intention is. Makes life a whole lot easier, and you reap the benefits rather than trying to farm conventionally but without fertiliser or warmers to your control.